Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me. I said no.
You see my purse?
Yeah.
That means I'm first.
Oh, congrats on being first at Chili's.
I don't appreciate your sarcasm.
What are you doing?
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Is that a nice chair?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it better than the one you have at home?
I haven't home.
Yeah, you have a chair.
I haven't served myself.
Yeah.
No way.
Remember Mom and Dad bought it for you.
I have a mom. Oh my god.
Do you know who I am?
Yeah.
Who am I? I'm your dad.
Oh my god.
You know you have two sisters too.
Oh my god. Where are they?
Well, they're at work.
Oh
They
my
gotta
god.
work.
I can't believe I have sisters.
And you have a dog. Isn't that cool? He's a big dog.
Oh my god, I love big dogs.
Do you remember his name?
What's his name?
His name is Bane.
Oh my god, just like Batman. Oh my god. Oh my god, my life is perfect. Oh.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. Chrissy, wake up! I don't like it. She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shit. I don't like it. I don't like it. Did you up? Did you up? Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity.
The Among Us potion from the dark web, and supposedly when you drink this Among Us potion at 3 a.m. you turn into the imposter from Among Us.
Okay, 3.
Here are 3 signs of me hinting that I want you. Number 1, I may or may not growl a little bit when you're near me. Yeah. Number 2, if you ever hug me, just expect a little bit of nibbling on your earlobes. Number 3, of course, is the lip biting.